Into one also today in this video we are going to discuss about ion exchange share. So people who don't know what actually is ion exchange, so it is into global water treatment and recycling process. So we know that this is the major segment which will have very bright future, because water treatment, we know that water is very precious in coming years also. So water treatment will play a very crucial role. So even corona is increasing, so after the corona effect also the water treatment will play a very crucial role. So don't compare that the profits are very less, it has reported losses. So that's not the main point. All of the companies have reported losses. No company has given excellent profits except the pharmaceuticals and other related companies. So we need to be very careful and very choosy when we are going for the portfolio building, especially for the long term. We need to see the shares which are having bright future, okay, and will give good returns. Okay, so we need to see that we should not keep any lump sum amount at a time in any particular share. We need to always do value investing and put the shares whenever it falls on dips. So that should be the main idea. So today also in free tail share I told that you should not put lump sum amount together when we don't have any clarity about the company. So when insider trading is happening, we need to be cautious and we need to put little amount. So that was my main idea of doing the video. So let's continue with this topic, and we'll see the overall technicals, fundamentals, and also we'll try to find out the levels where we can invest in this share. So firstly, let me show the overview of this company. So you can see the overview. So currently it's trading around 658 rupees. So one thing about Ion Exchange is that even Rakesh Junjunwala is also invested in it. So that should not be the main idea that someone is investing, so we need to invest. So we need to also analyze by ourselves that will this company have the future, yes or no, will it give good results in the coming year. So we need to analyze like that also, rather than someone is buying. We need to not do like that, we need to directly jump and buy. So that is totally avoided. So you need to do your own analysis before we enter into any stock. Okay, so currently if we see, it is around 658 rupees. So today's trading range was between 645 and 679. So what's actually interesting is that the current PE, if we see, the current PE of this stock is very less. Okay, so if we see the current PE, we can find that it is around 10.25, whereas if we see the industry PE is at 13.94, and also we can see that it is available at almost flat, we can say flat PE with as compared to the sector PE. And if we see the market cap, it's around 958 crores. And if we see, the deliveries are also very good, and it's around 64.25. So one thing, whenever we are buying any share, when we are doing especially value investing, so we may feel that sometimes we feel that even though the company future is very high, it is good, but we see that the company PE or anything or valuation will be very high. So one thing to be noted is that whenever you want to buy any good thing, we need to pay little bit high price, because the future of that company is that good that we can pay little more money to acquire that stake. So once it leaves our hand, we can't do anything, yes or no. So that should be the main idea. So for good things, we need to put little bit high price. Okay, so you can see all the overview of the share. So next we'll see the shareholding of the company. So from the current shareholding, we can see that the promoter holding, okay, the promoter holding is little bit, we can say, has decreased. If we compare it with the previous quarter, it has almost decreased from 44 to 27. And one good thing is that the pledging is zero in this share. And if we see, the FI's holding has also remained flat, and it has increased minutely, and currently it is at 1.63. And also the total DIS percentage has also remained flat. Okay, and if we see, the mutual fund holding has increased, that's a good thing. So whenever mutual fund holding is increasing, that means we can also say that it has high potential. Even we can see that it has high potential, even the mutual fund houses are also feeling that it has a high potential. So insurance companies zero, and financial institutions and banks has also remained flat. So this is the basic shareholding of this company. So next, if we see, okay, recently it has declared its results, so quarter results. So we can see that net sales at rupees 351 crore, down 18.69 year on year. So we can see that year on year the net sales were down. So first thing, why the net sales were down? So we can know that due to many issues it was down. So since water treatment was there, and related to water treatment, and we know that since the lockdown so many industries were affected, so many related to these sector actually were totally beaten up. So because that was the main reason why this results were not that good. Okay, so we should not neglect that results were very bad. It's a very good fundamental stock and it has high potential, so that should be noted. Okay, and if we see, okay, the net sales were down. Next one is the EBITDA stands at 50.26 crore in March 2020, down 18.83 from 61 crore in March 2019. So EPS has decreased, shares disclosed at 705 on June 26 BSE. Okay, so currently it has corrected so much, so we'll try to find out the levels where we can give a position into it. So overall the company view is clear to you, so what it does and what is the future of this company. So in technicals we'll find out the excellent support which is there for it, where we can give an entry. Okay, so we can give good returns in future. So this is the 1 day chart. So you can clearly see from the 1 day chart that there is a good, or you can say the best support at 629. So previously also people who watched this share around 629 around last month I guess, so from 629 it has given a huge movement. And previously also, if you see here, as it is respected, here it is respected, and it's trying to come to this level back, and if it tests that, then definitely we need to enter in this stock. You know, the level is 629.51. you can see that 629.51. so if it comes to that level, you need to grab the opportunity of investing in it. Okay, the results the results correction is getting over day by day. So yesterday it has fallen 5%, today 2%, so it's reducing day by day. Tomorrow it may correct around 1%, again 1.5, so you need to add there. Okay, so that should be your idea, not selling the stocks, not sell stocks like this. You need to add on dips. That's why I tell, first initially if you're investing in any stock, you need to invest in small quantity, so that if you average again, then you will have a good amount with a decent price. So that is the main idea. So you can see 629.51. and if we see money flow also, it started correcting from the over bought region. It started correcting and it's coming here. So again it will start its upward journey. So everything is falling technically very good, so you need to watch out this share. Okay, even in 1 month chart also you can see again it's trying to take support at that point. Okay, you need to watch out for this level and invest wisely, not with greed. Okay, you need to see for the future. So this is all about Ion Exchange share. So I thought of making a video on future consumer, but the results are not yet declared. So once the results are declared, then I will make a video on it. So until then, take care. Bye bye.